Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products by using the speech recognition feature on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this search icon down below, which is the second option. And as you can see at the top, there is the search bar, and here is this microphone icon that you should use if you would like to try out the speak recognition feature. All you have to do is saying the name of the product that you are looking for. So as you tap on it, click on this microphone icon and then tell the app what you are looking for. So tap on it and then say the word. For example, dress. But first you need to enable the app to have access to your microphone. So go to your phone settings, tap on microphone to allow the app to have access to it, and then you will be able to use it. So go back to this microphone icon, tap on it, and then you will be able to search by the search via this feature. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.